Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3T10 and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, whoops, hopefully that didn't affect it. So once you start holding them, you will see a Alcatel logo, at which point you want to let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. And so then redirect you to recovery mode, and then here, using volume keys to navigate and power key confirming options, you want to select enter Fastboot mode. Now before I do so, I do want to also check out reboot to bootloader and see if this isn't by some chance also a Fastboot mode, which could be the case. And it is. You can see right at the bottom, Fastboot mode. So bootloader and Fastboot mode are one and the same option. The difference is bootloader takes you to this kind of Fastboot mode without any other options, while the Fastboot mode itself will take you to a similar looking screen like the recovery mode, with the options to go back to recovery mode, reboot, or power off the device. Here we just need to hold power key to turn it off ourselves. There we go. As you can see, it disappeared from the bottom of the screen, so the device turned off, and afterwards it will turn back on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.